Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a little video about this hair product called K18. I actually saw it online at Sephora a few months ago, a few weeks, months, maybe about a month ago. And it looked expensive, so I looked at it, turned the page off, and shut my computer off because I didn't want to spend like $95 on a hair care product. But anyway, bring me up to about 2 weeks ago when I was at my hairstylist and I saw this sitting on her shelf. So I just started asking her about this product and what she thought of it. My hair is, I do highlights, I do bleach, it's dry, now it's January in Minnesota and everything's dry. My hair usually gets very frizzy. And I asked her because I tend to use a lot of Olaplex. I mean, I've got friggin' all of the Olaplexes. How many do they have? They've got a gazillion products. Anyway, so I've been using all these off and on. I love Moroccan oil. It always makes my hair feel really soft. Olaplex agrees with my hair, but not my skin. My skin does not like Olaplex. Sometimes it gets itchy, red, irritated, so I don't use it very often. So I even searched to find something that I might consider kind of a dupe, and my hair and skin agree with this one. So it's nice. It's all good. So my hairstylist comments about Olaplex where it works, as long as you keep using it. So she has customers that use it. Their hair is nice, it's soft, it's great. But the second they stop using or change to something else, all the results are gone, was her experience with it and her client's experience with it too. And frankly, my experience with it as well. To be honest, I wasn't totally overwhelmed, overblown, overexcited about Olaplex. It's fine. To be honest, I still preferred my Moroccan oil to it. So I still buy it, I still try it, and I still use it. However, come to this new very pricey product that I actually bought for my hairstylist, which is a little cheaper than, actually a lot cheaper than getting at Sephora. Her impression of this one is people use this, they stop using it, and the results stick around. So let me talk a little bit about this. So K18, this is a post-wash leave-in treatment applied to towel-dried hair. And they recommend if you don't use a very thorough shampoo or a very good clarifying shampoo, or if you use a lot of other hair care products, use a good sulfate clarifying shampoo before you use this. Don't use conditioner before, because conditioner will silicone, it will cover your hair strands, and this won't be able to absorb and work. So cleanse your hair with a good shampoo, towel dry it. Put a small amount. For my long hair, I used a pea size, literal. I know I'm heavy-handed with everything, literal pea size. And smooth it in your hair, let it sit for 4 minutes, and then you can go on with the rest of your routine. But don't use another conditioner, just use this. Anyway, so you apply it. It's a molecular breakthrough, clinically proven to reverse hair damage in 4 minutes. Damages from bleach, dyeing, heat, chemical services, perms, things like that. So you don't want to use another conditioner before this. You can, after 4 minutes, use another product. So I'll leave it, actually I'll let it sit in like 15, 20 minutes. And then I'll just put a little bit of my Moroccan oil in it. Not every time, but this last time I just did. And the first week you use this, you want to use it for, I believe they say 4 to 6 washes. So you use this every time for the first 4 to 6 washes, week and a half. And then after that, you can use it after every 4 washes or maybe once a week. So that's the very specific instructions. And it is expensive. I will say this bottle is little, but using literally a pea-size amount, I bet I'll be able to get a month or 2 out of this. And I will say my hair does literally it feels softer. Even just after the first time I used it, my hair felt softer and nicer, silkier, easier to work with. Just not as dry as it usually is, even after highlights and things like that. So they say this product travels into the innermost layers of hair to reach the core polypeptide chains of keratin. And their revolutionary K18 peptide is just the right size to fit in and reconnect these broken chains. So it actually fixes hair from inside out, unlike Olaplex, which kind of just, it seems like Olaplex has those proteins, which it kind of fits, but the second you wash it off, the effects fade away from what I've noticed and from what my hairstyle notices. So literally they've got that oligopeptide 78. I'm not sure where they came up with K18, but I'm sure there's a reason. So the ingredients: water, alcohol denatured, then we've got some slip ingredients, then we've got that peptide, then we've got hydrolyzed wheat protein, wheat starch, isopropyl alcohol, vitamin E, and then some fragrance ingredients. The fragrance in this isn't overwhelming, thankfully. Let me see. I don't even notice it. My nose is pretty sensitive, so that's a nice thing. So it is expensive. However, I really have noticed it helps. So definitely read the ingredients, check out the instructions before you use it, because you want to use it this specific way, or else it's kind of just wasting money. Like if you put a conditioner on before this, you're kind of sealing the hair strands from absorbing and letting this work. So I don't know. So far, I'm sold. My hairdresser, she's sold. So I don't know. Seems like it's working. So anyway, I don't know. My hair does feel soft and shiny, and just been testing this now a couple weeks, and it seems like it's better than Olaplex. It's better than, I don't know, this Olaplex dupe I got, which isn't really, it's similar, but it's not really a dupe. But anyway, I just thought I should do a quick video on it because it is so expensive. When people see like the full size, I think is like 90 bucks at Sephora. Maybe see if a hairstylist can get a little bit cheaper. I know they have access to some of the products and get a little bit cheaper and then mark it up and then sell it at a profit. But maybe they'll be able to cut you in on a deal or something. I don't know. So anyway, definitely seems to work. I've read a lot of reviews of it on Reddit, and a lot of other people are having a similar experience. Some people weren't thrilled, didn't notice much, but a lot of people really were sold on it, and so far I am. Obviously it's going to get expensive, but once you get past that first week, and literally, I mean my hair's kind of long, literally a pea-size amount is what you need. And I wouldn't focus on the top of your head, focus on the length and the ends, because that's where most of the damage is. I mean, hair is dead, so you want to focus on the length and the ends that are the oldest, which have the most damage from heat, styling, bleaching, things like that, as opposed to your scalp. I did read a few people that said their scalp got itchy from using it. Just try not to use it on your scalp much at all. Focus on the length and the ends, and then that's the part that has the most damage, unless your hair is shorter, I guess. So, I don't know. Anyway, it seems like a lot of people are noticing something really good, different than Olaplex. And I like the fact that I don't like something where you just use it once and it works. The next day, you use something different. There's no positive effects left over, which is fine if you are somebody that's dedicated to using it every day. Nothing wrong with that. But this seems like something that actually is doing something in the long run. So there we go. My thoughts on this very expensive product. Yeah, so I think it's like literally up to here. So I think I probably got a long time left to use this little bottle. And I'm a heavy-handed person. So anyway, those are my thoughts. Literally does something good in 4 minutes. Just do as the directions say. There we go. Okay, anyway, leave a comment if you had a chance to try this out, or if you've used Olaplex or any other hair products that you've loved. Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And should I do my song? Like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends, like, subscribe. Everyone like my song? Da, 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 da. Happy New Year. Okay, that's it. Bye, guys. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.